Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is the last video for the Ciel dress. I'm going to show you how I created the gloves and the neck piece. The gloves were fairly simple. I used this black stretchy fabric and I traced my daughter's hand on a piece of paper and cut it out, and then I put it on the fabric as well, extending the arm part, and I cut 2 of these per glove. When cutting this out, since my daughter's hands are fairly small, I did not cut in between the fingers until after I sewed the 2 pieces together. After sewing the outline with a zigzag stitch, I go ahead and cut the excess material off around the fingers, close to the threads but not through the threads. And then all I have to do is hem the top of the glove. Flipping those right sides out, I have a pair of gloves. The neck piece consisted of 2 fabrics, 1 white, 1 pink, an elastic, and 2 ribbons. For the white fabric, I cut a 6" by 10" strip of fabric, folded it in half, and ironed that down. The pink fabric was about half that size and about 3/4 of the length of that white fabric. And then I cut a piece of elastic that will stretch to the length of my white fabric. And then I go ahead and sew up the long side of the white fabric, along with the pink one as well. I will turn those right sides out and then I will give them a good press. When pressing, the seam of both fabrics will be actually in the middle of the strips. On the pink one, I will go ahead and fold in the sides to hide those raw edges. For the white one, I go ahead and sew a channel down the middle of it for my elastic. Taking that elastic with a safety pin, I go ahead and feed it through that channel. I will pin it on each side. This will help me create the ruffle. It will also give me a stretch for when I put it on my daughter's neck, so that way it does not choke her. And I will go ahead and sew down each side to close that up and to secure the elastic. And then I did serge these edges, and I will go ahead and fold them in on themselves, and I will sew this down to hide those edges. I also sew the edges of the pink fabric down too. I'll take the pink fabric and I will actually pin that onto the edges of my white fabric, but I will sandwich a piece of ribbon in between those two. I do tack down the middle of the pink fabric to the white fabric, making sure my stitches do not go on the outside of the pink fabric. This will help keep it in line and keep it centered in the white fabric. And with that, the costume is fully done. I enjoyed making this costume and I think it came out picture perfect. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you next time. Bye.